plunder charge against me. That means to say that I did not steal anyone. I did not steal any money. I did not receive any money. That's why I would like to thank the magistrates of the Sandigan Bayan that after 1 decade my case has already been resolved.
It took almost 10 years, sir.
It took almost 10 years, but still I'm very, very thankful.
Sir, mga mechanics lamang sa dalawa pong...
Well, ako this is a vindication of my name, and I am emerging victorious at this point. But as to the conviction of the direct and indirect bribery, I am not a lawyer. I haven't read the decision, but I am so surprised since based on the information sheet, there was no bribery or indirect or direct bribery filed in the information sheet. It is only the case of plunder, and I have been already acquitted. I have been exonerated of plunder, and I will ask my lawyers to exhaust all legal remedies, all legal options available for me. But then still, I believe in our justice system.
Sacrifices in the past 10 years, sir. How was it, sir? Waiting for this verdict.
Well, of course, kahit matagal, maganda naman yung resulta, maganda naman yung kinalabasan. Kaya ako'y nagpapasalamat unang-una sa ating Panginoon, pangalawa sa ating mga maestrado dito sa Sandigan Bayan, yung aking pamilya who stood with me, who stood by me through thick and thin.
Kinabahan ba kayo? Did you expect na not guilty?
Of course, lahat na naman mga accused ay pagbabasahan ng sentensya, siyempre kakabahan.
Nakatulog pa ba kayo last time, sir?
Masyado.
May binabanggit po doon na detention. How is that gonna work out?
Well, nothing is final, okay? That is appealable. We will file the necessary motion for reconsideration before the Sandigan Bayan. And yes, I will instruct my lawyers to, again, to exhaust all legal options, all legal remedies.
What's your plan right now, sir? Plans.
I'm going to rest.
Himayin pa natin yung naging decision ng Sandigan Bayan sa kaso nga ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Bagamat not guilty, yung kanyang plunder case, sinatulan pa rin siya ng Sandigan Bayan 5th Division ng guilty beyond reasonable doubt sa 1 count ng direct bribery at guilty rin para sa 2 counts of indirect bribery. Anong ibig sabihin niya? Nakasaad, Jess, sa desisyon ng Sandigan Bayan nating nabasa, nakabilang sa parusa para sa pagiging guilty sa direct bribery ay 8 hanggang 9 na taon at 4 na buwang pagkakakulong, special temporary disqualification at perpetual disqualification from the right of suffrage o karapatang bumoto. Pinagbabayad din, Jess, si Senator Estrada ng 3 milyong pisong multa. Para naman sa 2 counts ng indirect bribery, kasama sa penalty base sa Article 211 ng Revised Penal Code ang pagkakakulong ng 2 years 4 months hanggang 3 years 6 months and 20 days. Meron din yang kaakibat na kaparusahang suspension from public office at public censure. So sa ngayon, hinihinga na natin ng pahayag Senator Nancy Binay dahil siya yung head o chairman ng Ethics Committee sa Senado, lalo't may ganitong desisyon pala na suspension from public office itong Sandigan Bayan. Samantala, naitanong natin ang detalyeng ito kay Senator Estrada matapos yung kanyang promulgation kaninang umaga, pero sabi niya hindi pa niya nababasa yung buong desisyon pero naniniwala raw siya na appealable ang lahat. Uutusan daw ni Estrada ang lahat ng kanyang abogado na gawin ang lahat na makakaya within legal means. Maghahain din daw sila ng necessary motions for reconsideration. Matatandaan, Jess, na nag-ugat ang kasong ito ni Estrada dahil sa umunoy pagkamal niya ng mahigit 55 million pesos na kickback para sa paglaan ng bahagi ng kanyang PDAF o pork barrel sa mga bogus na NGO o non-government organization si Janet Napoles. Isa si Estrada sa mga nakulong na senador dahil sa pork barrel scam, kasama sina Senator Bong Revilla at dating Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile. Jess, narito ang bahagi ng pahayag ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Almost 10 years, but still, this is a vindication of my name, and I am emerging victorious at this point. But as to the conviction of the direct and indirect bribery, I am not a lawyer. I haven't read the decision, but I am so surprised since based on the information sheet, there was no bribery or indirect or direct bribery filed in the information sheet. It is only the case of plunder, and I have been already acquitted. I have been exonerated of plunder, and I will ask my lawyers to exhaust all legal remedies, all legal options available for me.
Jess, yung co-accused ni Senator Estrada at tinatawag na pork barrel queen na si Janet Lim Napoles ay nakatulan din ng Sandigan Bayan ng guilty beyond reasonable doubt ng 5 counts of corruption of public officials. May parusa yan, Jess, na 8 hanggang 10 taong pagkakakulong at multa ng mahigit 29 million pesos. Samantala, not guilty rin si Napoles sa kasong plunder. Sa Lunes, magkakaroon ng press conference si Senator Estrada para mapaliwanag pa ng husto yung nangyari o yung laman ng kanyang naging desisyon ng Sandigan Bayan para sa kanya. Naglabas na rin ng statement si Senate President Pig Zubiri at nirerespeto daw ng Senado ang naging desisyon ng Sandigan Bayan kay Senator Estrada. Bagamat naroon nga yung question na tinatanong natin yung about dun sa suspension from work, pero sa ngayon walang malinaw na sagot yung liderato ng Senado. Sinasabi nila so far, for now, pwedeng magtrabaho bilang senador si Senator Jinggoy Estrada.